Hello, I'm Braumoeller, and I'm here to give you a quick overview of my ICPSR short course, Theoretical Models for Statistical Inference. I created this course because I don't think we teach people to theorize as much as we could in the social sciences. And I think the potential of statistical analysis will only be fully realized if it goes hand in hand with theoretical models. So what do I mean by a theoretical model? Well, theoretical models simplify reality to focus on the most important parts of it. They generally describe that simplification in a common logical, mathematical, or computational idiom so that others can understand it and build on it. And in general, they make up the core domain knowledge of any scientific field. You probably learned a lot about theoretical models when you learned about chemistry and physics in high school. You may also have heard of some in the social sciences, though they're less likely to be taught outside of social science classes, and some are even unfamiliar to working social scientists. That's because the evolution of the social sciences has landed us in an unusual place. In graduate school, we learn a lot about statistical models. In particular, we learn a lot about two kinds of models: the general linear model and its extensions, and causal inference models. When it comes to theoretical models, however, we don't learn much. Maybe we take a first semester game theory course, and a few of those people take more game theory, but most of us don't take any classes at all that would help us understand how to theorize. As a result, the theoretical models that end up in our statistical research look oddly familiar. There's a reason that economists sometimes refer to statistical models like these as atheoretic. They're not designed with theory in mind. They're either weighted vectors of variables, which my former colleague Jeff Frieden calls the beta theory for y equals x beta, or they're statistical black box models. We know something is going on inside the black box, but we're not going to worry about it. We're just going to focus on what goes in and what comes out. That leaves us in this weird situation in which we're really good at running incredibly sophisticated statistical tests of mechanisms that are not at all sophisticated. My goal is to push us toward better theory at the same time, and as a result, toward better science. That's where this course comes in. It's designed to be a survey course in theoretical models. It introduces you to a wide range of techniques, many of which aren't taught in most social science departments. They're meant to answer the question, how can I capture these ideas that I'm having about how the world works and translate them into a theoretical model? And once you know what your theory is, then you can start to answer the question, how do I connect my theoretical model to data? So that's the class in a nutshell. I hope you can join me this summer. Thanks for watching, and take care.